This is before I came to North Oaks Dental, and this is my smile after. I've had teeth pain since I was like 16, and I had to watch what I eat. My teeth were horrible. Every year I was going back and having to get some tooth redone, and then it seemed like within a couple more years after that, the same tooth would have the same problem. So it was just nonstop pain, and my teeth were so ugly. Like I didn't even want to like have a conversation with you. Oh, I felt horrible. Like I felt dirty all the time. I seemed to want to brush my teeth harder, thinking that it was going to make my teeth better. But yeah, it was. I just always felt bad. Felt bad about myself. I had went to a bunch of dentists getting estimates for what I wanted, and none of them wanted to give me what I wanted, and I was ready to give up. And my girlfriend was on Facebook and seen him and seen all his advertisements for all the implant procedures he does, and I made an appointment. And I told him what I wanted. He didn't try to talk me out of what I wanted. He made sure that he could do the procedure, and he said, "Yeah, I'll do it." He explained everything to me, so I knew what was going to happen ahead of time. And yeah, I knew every time I came in here what was going to happen, so I was prepared like the whole way. I would like go out of my way to avoid having a conversation with people because I was embarrassed about how I looked. And now I'm like, I'll start a conversation with anyone. Like, I feel confident when I'm talking to somebody, they're gonna take me serious and not, have a bad impression of me because my teeth were so bad. I couldn't believe it. Like, I didn't like this can't be me. Like, I was really just amazed at how they looked. It blew my mind. This doctor is gonna give you what you want. He's not gonna try to talk you out of what you want. And if you want full mouth implants, he'll do it. Like he's not gonna like try to talk you out of doing it. And he knows what he's doing. Like he does this a lot. So you can be confident. Like it's gonna be done right. He's not like learning on your mouth. He already knows what he's gonna do.